Alright, hello everybody, Zaxter99. This time I'm showing you guys how to delete a stubborn file or image or something maybe on your desktop or in your computer on Windows 10 where the file or image just won't delete and you can't rename it either. Now if we look here guys, we see an image that I downloaded from Google and it went right to my desktop and I'm able to use the image as I want. But the problem is I can't delete it. So if I right click on this image and I hit delete, it doesn't do anything. So I was looking at this and I'm like, oh, maybe it's just too long of a name. So Windows is like confused. So I go here and I try to rename it. And if I try to rename it to like, ZZ, for example, and I hit enter, it doesn't change the name. So I'm like, if I look at the properties here, I see the name of it. I look at the security. I have full control over it and everything like that. And if you go to advanced and you go here and you try to change this name and you try to do all this, it still won't work. So there is a way you can go in here. But yeah, this is a very stubborn image. But you can go down to your search bar and type in the CMD for the command prompt. Make sure you run this as the administrator. Make sure you hit yes. And right here, guys, you're going to see your command prompt. So one thing you'll need to do is get the location and the name of the file. So remember, we can't change the name of this particular file. The funny thing is I can like rotate it, things like that, but I can't change the name or delete the file. So if I right click on it and I click properties, what I want to do is I want to get the name of the file. So to get the name of the file, all you want to do is go ahead and right click on it, go down to properties, and the name of the file is going to be right here. Remember, it's a very long name that was named. Like I say, I didn't name it. I just downloaded it from Google. So you want to go ahead and copy and paste that name of the file. And you also see that the location is right here on my C drive, and the user's Zaxto is my username and desktop. So that's going to be important as well. So I would just leave this window up right here. So from the command prompt, you're going to go ahead and type DEL, which stands for delete. And then you're going to want to go ahead and type /. The /F stands for force. It means you're going to try to force the deletion of this particular file. And then you just want to go ahead and type first the location of where it's at. Make sure you're typing everything exactly as you see it right here in the location. Make sure you're using backwards slash. Make sure you're getting the capital U in users, for example, and then backwards slash, ZAXTO, all lowercase, whatever the name of your username is, and wherever, exactly what you see is the location of your file that you can't delete. And then desktop is what I see here. And then you want to go ahead and type another backward slash here. And then this name that you copy and pasted, you want to go ahead and hit Control V here. And look how long that name is of that particular file. So then if you hit enter make sure you should see administrator command prompt here on your command window. And you'll see that it says it can't find it, because it looks like it's limited in how long the name is, and the name of the file is actually way longer than this. So this isn't working for me. So I am unable to delete this file. Well, I want to get rid of this goddamn file, right? Well, one thing you can do is go ahead and close out of this, and there is a great little program. I'm going to have the link to this program down below. So what it looks like here, guys, when you go to the website, is you're going to see this is freeware. This is for Windows, and it might be more updated than what you're seeing here, but it is completely free. You're going to go ahead and click download. You're going to install it. Just make sure you follow the usual prompts for the installation. Common users or whatever. Common install is probably what you're going to click on that option. So once you get this program installed, you're going to want to go ahead and run it. And this is Emco UnLock IT. So it's going to open up like this. And so what you're going to do here is go ahead and take your file that you want to delete and just drag it into this window, right? And you'll see that it says it's not locked. Well, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and delete it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this delete button. Are you sure you want to delete this particular file name? You're going to go ahead and hit yes. And it says the operating system reboot is required to delete this particular file. Would you like to reboot now? So that is something about this particular program. It is going to hard delete this file. You want to make sure you really want to delete it before you do this. But in this situation, I definitely want to delete this file. I definitely don't want it permanently attached to my computer or to my desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and hit yes, reboot now. And this file will or should be gone when I reboot. But I'll be back to go ahead and show you that it is gone after I reboot. Be right back. Alright guys, I have rebooted, and as you can see, that hard-headed, very stubborn image is now gone from my PC. Unfortunately, it did require this Emco UnLock program and a hard reboot to get rid of it, but I couldn't find another way to, get rid of it, so using this program definitely helped me in this situation. Again, I am using Windows 10, so if you're using some other version of Windows or Mac or something like that, unfortunately this video may not help you. But if you're having problems, be sure and ask down in the comments below. And if I can't help you, maybe another user that is watching this video or that sees your comment can help you out down there in the comments. Be sure and give me a like if this video has helped you remove a stubborn image or file on your computer. I would love to know. Thanks so much for your time, and thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. This has been Zach09. Take care.